Welcome to the Construction Equipment Company's Roadrunner Series Crushing and Screening Sales and Training videos. CEC and its employees are proud to build some of the highest quality portable rock crushing and screening equipment in the industry. The video you will be viewing today will be covering the sales features and benefits of one or more of the following: portable jaw crushers, portable cone crushers, portable horizontal impact crushers, vertical shaft impactors, portable screenits, 4x10, 5x12, 6x16, portable crushits, portable wash plants, sand screws, coarse material washers, blade mills, radial stackers and conveyors, and vibrating grizzly feeders. CEC would like to thank you for your time. CEC offers screenits in 3 sizes: 4x10, 5x12, and 6x16. Today, we'll concentrate on the 6x16 2-deck screenit. We're going to show you the features and benefits of the largest portable screen in the world. The Screenit is the most versatile portable screen plant available today. It can screen topsoil, compost, gravel, recycle, coal, C&D, golf course sand, wood waste, and a host of other material. This versatile Screenit is very mobile, can be set up fast, and is extremely productive. It has the ability to produce as much as 600 tons per hour. The Screenit is a completely self-contained diesel hydraulic. This plant has a feed hopper and feeder belt, 6x16 2-deck screen, 2 product discharge conveyors, 98 horsepower Deutz turbo air-cooled diesel engine, hydraulic legs, all hydraulic setup, and is all-American built. The open throat feeder is the first aspect of total versatility, since it doesn't create any restriction that you find in all other portable screen plants. The 14.5 cubic yard feed hopper moves into the working and transport position hydraulically. The feed belt is variable speed and has 2 manual positions to adjust the speed. A remote feeder control is optional. The feed belt is 48 inches in width and provides excellent material feed to the screen. A material strike-off system is provided to give a consistent material load to the screen. In some materials, this may need to be removed. CEC Screenits come standard with 5 heavy-duty impact idlers in the feed area. These can withstand material up to 12-inch minus and the occasional oversized piece up to 18 inches. When the oversize is more than occasional, an optional hydraulic dump grizzly is available. A remote control system to run the grizzly from the operator's cab is also available. The second aspect of total versatility is the 6x16 2-deck screen. The screen has 140 millimeter bearings running in oil. The shaking action or stroke is fully adjustable with speed and stroke. The screen stroke is 5/8 inch, which is the largest in any screen plant. This action provides a very hard-to-blind screen deck. This enables you to have a screen that can change right along with your changing materials. The screen runs on Firestone rubber marshmallows for quiet startups and shutdowns. All types of screen mesh, punch plates, Diamond Z, and harp screens can be utilized in the 6x16 2-deck screens. The screen is also bolted together by huck rivets to make it even more heavy-duty. Another aspect of total versatility is the optimal ball deck built into the screen frame. This system, which no other portable screen plant can utilize effectively, gives you the ultimate ability to screen wet and sticky materials. The balls are contained in cages below the bottom deck. With the screen actions, the balls activate a motion in the bottom deck screen to keep it clean. Diamond Z, harp screens, and slotted screen mesh work best with the ball deck. The ball deck could be characterized as a deck screen with a cleaning system. The CEC 6x16 Screenit has two 30-inch discharge conveyors to stockpile material. They hydraulically fold for operation and transport. 180 cubic yards can be stockpiled underneath the head pulley. If needed, the conveyors can be lowered to a 6-foot-high discharge position to charge a radial stacker. The plant is powered by a 98-horsepower Deutz air-cooled diesel engine. It has its own fuel tank, hydraulic tank, and control panel. This plant has sufficient power to run additional hydraulic components like radial stackers and soil shredders. A soil shredder can be added to break up materials before they're screened. The shredder is mounted at the head pulley of the feeder just before material cascades onto the screen. 3 types of blades are offered: Tiller-Tines blades, free-swinging flail blades, and bolted-on hammer blades. Other options include 4 hydraulic legs, hydraulic dump grizzly, remote control grizzly dumps and remote feeder controls, ball decks, turbo engines, and UHMW lined hopper walls. The CEC 6x16 Screenit can be fed from the side or the rear. The hopper should always be full of material and needs to be fed into the middle of the belt and a few feet up from the rear of the feeder. The material will come up the feeder belt and onto the screen. The oversized material will go down the top deck, down the overchute, and onto the ground. The material that passes the top deck, but not the bottom deck, will go out the bottom deck chute and up the rear conveyor for stockpile. The material which passes the bottom deck proceeds up the under-screen conveyor and out the middle discharge conveyor for stockpile. To set up, simply pull the Screenit onto the job site, hydraulically block and level the machine, hydraulically put the discharge conveyors into the working position, move the feed conveyor into the operating position, build a ramp if necessary, and begin making material. It's really that simple. The total time to set up the Screenit is about half an hour. When preparing to send the Screenit to its next job, simply reverse the setup procedure and you're ready to go down the road at highway speed. Included as standard equipment are running lights, air brakes, spring suspension, mud flaps, and fifth wheel pull. The versatility, productivity, and portability of the CEC 6x16 Screenit can make it a real profit maker for your company. The open throat feeder allows you to use one machine to produce a large number of products. The adjustable screen action and ball deck allow you to screen even the hardest to screen materials, such as wet topsoil and compost. It's also an all-American made machine. There is no other plant like this on the market today. The CEC Screenit is the industry leader. It can screen the toughest material and produce more material per hour than any other plant in the world. CEC is proud to offer the finest crushing and screening equipment. For further information, please contact CEC or your local area dealer. Thank you.